What's going on, boys? Welcome back to a phone call. Welcome back to the channel, boys. If you are new to the channel, which a lot of you guys are, and I haven't filmed anything for quite a while, then you picked a great time to subscribe, because we are en route to go pick up the E36 M3, which has been at Boost Logic for probably a month and a half, maybe 2 months. They are the ones doing the S54 swap. They haven't been working on it the entire time, so it's not like this swap would take this long. They've had a few setbacks, a few other priorities that have gotten in the way. No one's fault. It's just how things go. Things take a little time. So anyways, we're en route to Boost Logic to go pick up the E36. We're going to throw it on the dyno. Everything that's done to it, I'm going to try and recap as best as possible. So it has a 6-speed trans, it has 364 rear end, it has a light and flywheel, has an upgraded clutch. I forgot what clutch we went with. I basically bought someone's trans, 6-speed trans and rear end off their car that they were going to do the swap to, but didn't do it. It has I believe a short shifter, I'm not sure which one. I'll get all this information from the guys over at Boost Logic when I get there. And we are running E85 and a carbon intake, and that's it for the motor. I've done a lot of other things, like you'll see in my other videos. I have upgraded cooling, so I have a Zionsville radiator, which is perfect for this because it is currently right now 103 outside. So we're going to be dynoing the car at 3 o'clock in the afternoon at basically the hottest point of the day. I'm not expecting miracles. Again, this car should, on E85, it should be making roughly 330, I'm going to say 310 to 340 wheel horse. I don't have high expectations. The flex fueler, the E85 kit that I got, is a kit from APE. It's not the type of E85 conversion where you tune the E85. It's basically like a fuel scaler. So what he'll do is he'll tune it on 93, and then we'll just plug, we'll put E85 in, and the APE kit will then adjust it as needed. So it's a type of kit where if I'm driving across country, I can throw 95 in, or 93 in, and it will adjust automatically for me. I'm going to try and run E85 as much as possible, but that was the type of kit that was recommended to me, so that's what I ended up going with. We'll see how I like it. Again, it's not the type that will garner the best results or the most power, but if you're new to this channel, that was never the goal with this car. The goal was to make as good a driving car as possible, kind of like a Singer Porsche. That's kind of been my goal, to restore this car, get new seals, update the interior where it needs to be, refresh the exterior, and just kind of make it like a better version of the factory form. And that's why we went with the S54, not something like an LS1 swap that you could easily make 500 wheel horsepower with. So we're on our way to Boost Logic, gonna get the car on the dyno, gonna probably sweat our butts off because it's so hot and we're stuck in traffic, but it's going to be a good day, and then hopefully I'll have this car back by the end of the day and I'll be able to tell you what this swap is like. So I'll see you in 10 minutes when we get to Boost Logic, but for you guys it'll be right there. Alright, boys, just got here and they're actually already going on it. I'm so stoked for this. Alright, so I think we're letting the car cool down a little bit. They haven't really done any runs yet. It's only on 93 right now. They're going to tune it for the intake and the headers. It has Euro headers. Also, you can hear this, it has a Strong exhaust, drumming exhaust. So we're gonna wait for a second. He's gonna get a few things ready, and then he's gonna start doing pulls to tune it the way it is, and then we're gonna throw E85 on it and get some numbers. It's just so good. I have no idea about numbers or anything, but that's just so fun. Alright, while we let the car cool down, just doing a few runs, and again it's literally 105 out here. I'm sweating just standing in there. I gotta show you guys a few of these cars that they have around here. Look at these things. I mean, that's just clean, ridiculously clean. I don't know much about GTRs, but I'm just gonna go ahead and assume when they have basically slicks on them, it has some power. And if you don't know and you have a GTR, look at these exhausts that they make for these things. I can't even see. This guy over here has, looks like a titanium. God, those are sick. I know I'm new to the GTR game, but these, look at how big these things are. Like, you put your fist in that thing. That makes my Stromong exhaust look like a little nerd exhaust. I love it though. I love it. So yeah, they're just letting everything cool off. They've done a couple pulls with 93. Again, no big power. The goal on E85 is going to be like in the 3s, somewhere around there. Thanks, train. In the 3s, 310, 320 would be good with this heat. Ideally, we're thinking, come on. Ideally, we're thinking 340 is possible. But who knows? We'll see. It's not, again, for me, it's not about numbers. I'm not trying to play the numbers game. Roman went in, did a little bebop boop, bebop boop, and adjusted what else? I don't know. He did some tuning, some stuff I don't know how to do. So he did that. I think he's gonna do a few more pulls, and then, you know, it's almost 6 o'clock here, so I think we're gonna wrap it up. We're not going to get the car today. He still has to charge the AC, do a few other things as well. So probably pick it up Monday, but that'll be perfect because I probably won't get this edited and done until Saturday or Sunday. So he's gonna do a few more runs. We haven't done any on E85 yet. He's making sure the tune is good. Like I said, he tunes it on 93, and then we'll add E85 and see how it does. The goal here isn't to run straight E85 because it will max out the stock injectors. So from what I'm told from Brett over at M Sport Parts and Roman, who's tuning the car, actually, you want to keep it around like E60, E55. So when I go fill it up with E85, I'll probably put a little 93 in there as well. You don't want to run straight E85 just because I don't have the injectors for it. So he's uploading the new tune right now, and then we're going to do a few more runs. There we go. What'd you say it made last time? 310? 310. Alright, so now he's adding some E85. It's like literally, I think he said the ambient temp is 106, 107, somewhere around there. And it made 310 at the wheels with just 93 and his tuning. Now he is adding some E85, and we're gonna see how she does. All right, boys, so here's what we got. Oh man, I'm just blown out. All right, so we added the E85, let the car run, let it mix up, and basically, man, it's just this heat is killing us. With 93, when the car wasn't running, cooled down a little bit, we made 310, added E85, let it run, let it mix up. It got to about E55 value. So there was basically, yeah, it was, the gas was basically E55. I can't run E85, I'm not sure if I said this, because it'll max out my injector. So we got it up to like E55, ran it again, and it was right about 310 again, 311. But he's saying, I mean, that is just, it's heat soak. It's 107 in there, I believe. So what they're gonna do, we're not quite finished with it yet. He's not quite finished. They have to charge the AC, things like that. So they're going to come in Monday, start it, do more tuning or do more pulls first thing Monday morning, charge the AC, get it all wrapped up, and then we should have kind of a good number because it'll be much cooler then. So that's pretty much it, fellas. Man, I need to, there we go. That's pretty much it for today. They got all the dyno tuning done. Few more issues to wrap up, like I said, the AC, and after that we'll be good to go. So probably Monday morning or Tuesday I'll have it back. So if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button. Got some cool stuff coming up with this car. And if you're into E36 stuff, you're not gonna wanna miss it. So smash that subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.